You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, this character name. We'll be looking at how to say more names from manga and animes too, from Japanese, so stay tuned to learn more. Fushiguro, Fushiguro, Toji, or Toji Fushiguro. Of course, in Japanese it's generally said the other way around. Toji Fushiguro, or Fushiguro Toji. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.